To build a thank you page and deliver freebie to your subscribers, we first need to build a funnel itself. So we will build two-step funnels, quiz page and thank you page. So navigate to websites, go to sales funnels, click on create, name your funnel however you want, like in this case, thank you page test. Select a domain, either your own custom domain or System.io's free domain. Because we want to deliver freebie like PDF, video, we want to have an email opt-in form in our funnel so we can collect leads in exchange for the freebie for the PDF. So click on build an audience and click on save. Now our funnel was created, and to modify the funnel, just click on the name of the funnel. And first thing you have to do is to select a template for your squeeze page, because as you can see in the left sidebar, we have squeeze page and we have thank you page. If you want to add any additional page, just click here on add step and select the type of page you want to add. But in this case, we only want to have these two. So I will select a template that would fit our needs. Let's select this one. I believe this one is okay. So click on select. Before we start editing our landing page or squeeze page, just change the URL path so it makes sense to, let's say, landing page. So the address to this landing page will be either your domain or System.io's domain / landing page, or whatever you want to put in. Now we can start editing the page, so click on edit page. We will do this pretty quickly so we can move on to thank you page. As you can see, I select this template, which is super simple. Here we have image, we have call to action button, we have headline, some text and some other stuff, but I will delete this. So I will delete this element and I will also delete this section. We really don't need those. And I will delete logo as well, because in this video it makes no sense. Of course, you can put there your own logo. It's completely up to you. So I will delete this, and also I will delete this text. Now I prepared some content for this page in Google Docs, so I will be just copy pasting. So let's say we are building landing page to offer some sort of PDF about building business, building online business in 2025. So we put in related headline. I would definitely decrease the size to make it a bit smaller. And if we are in a business niche, I would also change the font, because this font really doesn't fit the business niche. So also I would change the line height, and I would go with Google fonts like Robo. Let's say Robo is pretty good for business niche. Now we can put in some subheadline. So I'll paste subheadline and call to action button. As you can see, if I clicked the call to action button, the action when button clicked is show pop-up. That means on this landing page or in this template, there is a pop-up. So once somebody click on the call to action button, pop-up will shows up. So we need to modify the pop-up. But before we move to the pop-up, I will change the call to action button text to this. I would also change the color, because the blue is definitely better. I won't do much details, just to move through the landing page super quick. So we need to set up the pop-up. So go to pop-ups, pop-up number 1, click on this gear icon, and you can see how the pop-up looks when somebody click on the call to action button. And we can use this again, or just this maybe. We can keep those, but I would delete the last name. It's really not needed. And I will keep it like this. I don't want to waste your time, so I will keep it like this. Pop-up is done. There are additional settings to pop-up. Shows close button, so there's this cross, you can turn it off. And also show pop-up automatically. No, because we want to show the pop-up when somebody click on the call to action button. Open on exit intent, I would turn this on. It basically means when somebody wants to leave your page like this, the pop-up show up and it can interrupt them from leaving the page. So pop-up is done. Now we can go back and we need to change the image. So we just click on the image and click on the upload and select file from your computer and just upload it. Insert. You can change the size of the image. It's all of this is up to how do you like it. I will delete this. And now our simple, not so good looking landing page is ready, but we need to move to the thank you page. So I will click on save and exit page. Now as we are done with the squeeze page or landing page, we can finally move on to thank you page. So in the funnel left sidebar, click on the thank you page. And again, you can select a template you want to use. I can select this one, for example. So I will click on select. Make sure your URL path makes sense, so you can name it like thank you page, whatever you want. And we can move on to editor again. So click on edit page. And as you can see, it's super simple. Few changes I would do. I would again delete the header. I would replace this image with our PDF guide or with our ebook cover. Decrease the size. Again, I will copy paste the content I have prepared. We can put some sort of subheadline or text here. And there are mainly two ways of how to deliver your freebie or PDF course. And that's automatically through email campaign, which I already made a video about right here, so you can check it. Or like in this case, you can make it like a download, so people are able to download it directly from your page. And that's something I will show you right now. So we have this button, so we can move it a bit above. I will delete this. And now we are going to change the text to download the ebook. You can play with colors, size. It's completely up to you. Let's say I want to make it this blue, so I can just change it. But to make the PDF like a download, we are going to set this to download file. And here you will select the file you want to be the file people can download after they opt in into your landing page. So select the file. It can be PDF, it can be video, it can be whatever you upload to system.io. Click on insert. And I think we are done here. What other things you can do on thank you page? You can add links to your social media, to your YouTube channel. You can upsell with affiliate offer. It's up to you, and you should take advantage of thank you page. But for now, we can save and exit page. And we can test our funnel if it's working properly. So go back to squeeze page and click on view funnels tab. We have this super simple landing page that we created before. I know it doesn't look super pretty, but it's only to show you how this process works. So We want to download the free ebook or get the free ebook, so we will click on the call to action button. Now this pop-up shows up because we set this before, so we can try opt-in into this. Click on submit. And we were taken to our thank you page. Again, super simple. You can modify it to your needs. And we should be able to download our ebook, our PDF, our video. So let's try it. Download the ebook. And yes, we were taken to the file and everything works as it should. By the way, if you don't want to build all of this from scratch, you can grab my free funnel template. It comes with thank you page already done for you, plus a step-by-step checklist to help you launch fast. Links in the description and pinned comment. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like and subscribe. I share simple, no-fluff system IO tutorials every week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.